Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and we have a new craft this week. It's going to be fun. First of all, I want to tell you that April Fool's Day is coming, and this craft is a little fool craft, okay? So the first thing you're going to have is an April Fool's Day sheet, and it tells you a little bit about April Fools and what you can do and what you can do to trick people. It's a day where you're trying to trick people or make people think something is true that isn't true, like, oh, your shoe's untied, or, oh, no, I brought you a big cake. No cake, but it's just to fool people. And on the back, you've got a little search that you can do. It'll be fun. So that will keep your skills sharp. And then also in your packet, you'll have something that looks like this. And it says, Hungry Fish. You're like, what? Well, how does this work? Because we have a fold line here, and we have to fold it there. But the first thing we have to do is we have to color it, okay? And I have one that I have already colored, all right? So when you have your fish like this, you color it. I folded mine like this, so that because I wanted mine to have stripes. So I colored him with stripes. And then I colored all those things at the bottom. And so you can say, oh, look, I've got the best fish. Isn't this the cutest fish ever? And people say, oh, yeah, that's a cute fish. But then this is what you're going to do. Open them up, and I sent you a little page with all different kinds of fish. Oh, here's a crab, a starfish. Oh, there's, what octopus? And I cut some of mine out. Now, I didn't cut them directly on the line. I left a little white around the edges. I cut them out like that, and then they're not too bad. See, look at this one right here. Now, I'm going to use a little bit of tape. You could use a little glue or something, but I might want to change mine out from time to time. So I'm going to take this one, and you see the space in between the teeth? Ooh, I think I'll put a fish there. Oh, where was that crab? Give me that crab. Oh, let's just put a crab in here. And I put a little bit on the back. And I'm going to put a crab right, I'm going to put the crab right there. Should I put one more? I should. Let's just put one more, okay? And this one, I think I'll put the big blue puffer fish. We'll put him on here. And then we close it up. And you say, look, guys, look at my fish. Is this not cute? And they're like, oh, cute fish. And then you go, surprise! And that's your April Fool trick. So have fun. Let this little fish, this big fish, eat as many of these little fish, I guess, as he wants to. And you can take this one off, and you can change it and put another one on, because you have a whole sheet of them to choose from. So have fun. Play some tricks. And we miss you, and we hope to see you soon. Bye, guys.